This is the Form 1040, the starting point for the majority of the tax returns out there. I just want to give you a quick overview of the different sections of the 1040. Now, not many people these days file with paper forms. However, the good news is that most tax programs are organized in the same way as the 1040, such as TurboTax. As you can see, this is the first page, and this is the second page. So the 1040 consists of 2 pages. I'm going to quickly point out the different sections of the 1040. Now, the main takeaway is to understand that the 1040 is organized in different sections. I'm going to go over what each section is in detail in other tutorials. So if I could point your attention to the tax year. This is the tax year that you're going to be filing for. And this section right here is the label. It has personal information such as your name, your spouse's name, address, and social security numbers. This section right here is the filing status. You can file as a single person, married filing together, married filing separately, head of household, and qualifying widower. Now, don't worry too much if you don't understand what the sections are, because like I said, I'm going to go over what the sections are in detail. This here is the exemption section. You can claim an exemption for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. This section right here is the income section, and these are all the different types of income that you're required to report. It starts off with wages and salaries from your job, qualified dividends, alimony, and for example, unemployment compensation. This is the adjusted gross income section, and all these items are right here are adjustments that you can subtract from your income to determine your adjusted gross income. And the adjusted gross income is listed right here in box 37. So the adjusted gross income from page 1 is carried over to page 2 in box 38 right here. And from the adjusted gross income, you can determine your tax and credits. So this is the tax and credits section of the 1040. And this section here is other taxes that you're required to report. This is the payments section. And if you're due a refund, you would fill out this section right here, the refund section. Now, if you owe taxes, you would fill out this section, amount you owe. And this section right here is the third-party designee section. This section here is if you allow another person to discuss the tax return with the IRS. So you give them permission to discuss your taxes with the IRS. You'll put their name here, phone number, and their personal identification number right here. This section is for your signature. So if you're filing jointly, you would have your signature and your spouse's. And this section right here is for paid preparer use only. That is, if you pay somebody to do your taxes for you, then they would fill out this section right here.